In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to export an interactive SVG animation. I want this icon to animate on mouse over and then animate in reverse on mouse out. Let's go to the export options and choose SVG. By default, the animation is set to start on load, but we're going to change that from the animation start options, from where we'll choose on mouse over. An extra option is now available, on mouse out, that it's set on pause by default. I want to change that and select reverse instead. To see those changes applied, we must click on the refresh preview button here. Now the animation will start only when I hover in and will play in reverse on mouse out. Finally, click on the export button and that's it. You'll get a single animated SVG file, ready to use on your web projects. Let's preview it in the browser. The SVG is responsive and will adapt its size to the container you place it in this case, the browser window. Let's also see it in a specific use case, such as this UI component. So this is how you can export any SVG animation to start on mouse over and make your projects or UI elements more engaging.